Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kakan Hur Menteri Hak Nikasngi Kelaikiran Ru Alor Kajing Penkre Katnat Community and Rural Development Yaki Kendon Batamai Hak Meghalaya Community Participation and Public Services Social Audit Services Rule 2017. But Alor Kaniru Kasorkar Hak Nikasngi Kalamanjur Yakani Kajing Terwa Jungani Katnat.
Seeking the Cabinet for approval of the Meghalaya Community Participation and Public Services Social Audit Rules 2019. This has been prepared by CNRD department. I think you all know what happened was in 2017, the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly has passed one act which is known as Meghalaya Community Participation and Public Services Social Audit Act. Social Audit Act 2017, and today, because see what happened is after passing the act in the assembly, the duty of the government is to come up with the rules for implementation in the grassroots level. Okay, so therefore today the department has brought the draft rules of the original act, Meghalaya Community Participation and Public Services Act 2017, and the Cabinet is pleased to approve the proposed rules out of the Act 2017.